Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a VW Golf headlight bulb. First, ensure your car is off and cool. You'll need a new H7 bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and some gloves. Open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for your vehicle's lighting. Now, let's access the bulb. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. Then, twist and remove the protective dust cap. You will see a metal retaining spring. Gently unclip it to release the old bulb. Take care not to force anything, as components can be delicate. With the retaining spring unclipped, you can now gently pull the old bulb straight out. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new H7 bulb, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb, ensuring it is seated correctly in its housing before proceeding. Finally, reclip the metal retaining spring to secure the new bulb. Twist the protective dust cap back into place, ensuring a tight seal. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Now, turn on your car and test the headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your VW Golf headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.